coming in, we're given to understand that a bomb squad van just went inside the Al Falah University campus. So the investigation on ground, the crackdown is intensifying. Al Falah has come in spotlight after the arrest of the doctors, and we also told you about how the insiders are describing what's been happening in the campus of this university about the extremist ideology of Dr. Umar. They also said, "Yahan par mahol hi aisa hai." It's not the first time that police has reached our campus. So the insiders making a lot of revelations about the kind of atmosphere that is there inside the university, the Al Falah University, from where doctors affiliated to this university, part of the terror module, were arrested. One of them, Dr. Umar Nabi, was the suicide bomber. He was driving the I-20 which exploded. Let me go across to my colleague Shivam, who's joining us from outside the Al Falah University. We're being told, Shivam, a bomb squad van just went inside the campus.
Exactly, just a few moments ago, a bomb disposal squad just went inside. There were 7 to 8 officials sitting inside the van, and it has just gone inside the campus now. This is again after an intensive session of investigation that happened yesterday, where 7 to 8 different teams were inside. Today also, since the morning, some small teams of the Haryana STF, some Delhi crime teams were inside, but now the bomb disposal squad has just gone inside, which has again now raised to a lot of question about what is the exact whereabouts that is happening inside. Remember, a news came in a few moments back that the 4th car has been traced, although we are still waiting for the official investigation. But the bomb disposal squad going inside is itself an indicator that yes, there are still some serious things that are going inside the campus, although the area access has been cordoned off for the media personnel here. Only the certain patients are allowed to go there.
The team of experts would want to know if anything was stored inside the campus. We already know how the premise was being used by these doctors. Room number 13 and room number 4 in building number 17 was constantly a meeting ground for the terrorists who perhaps plotted and hatched the conspiracy there. Let me go back to Shefali, who's reporting from the trust affiliated to Al Falah, where searches took place. And like you were telling us, Shefali, that certain documents have been seized from this place.
Yes, we are being told that the document is related to the land of the university and the building map that has been taken by the Faridabad police. Right now, currently also, if you'll see, Jamia police is also sitting over here waiting for if Faridabad police is going to direct them for more documents. They'll take more documents from here. He was just the guy that you saw. He is in charge of legal cell of Al Falah University. We'll try speaking to him again. Earlier we spoke to him. He denied all allegations that has put on him regarding the funds, foreign funds being given to the university and the trust. He said there has been no funds whatsoever has been given to the trust and the university, and he also mentioned that the only way through which the university runs is the university fees. That is from where trust also gets money. Back to you.
All right, so the investigation continues. Searches currently underway. Bomb squad van also went inside the Al Falah University campus. Let me try and go across to Priyank. Okay, for the moment we're taking a very short break, but all our reporters are going to continue to be with us.